Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually reset anything in your MyFitnessPal application. So, as always guys, I will need you first to go ahead and open it on your phones if you have it as an application, or else if you have a PC and you have an account in it in your browser, just go ahead and open your PC. So there is so many things to reset in your program. This, for example, if you go here to settings, there is this setting where you can update or reset your diet. So here, for example, you can change the weight, height, and the goal that you want to go for, or even the sex if you want to. You can also go to here to goals and edit whatever you'd like and reset them. Also, for example, let's go for food. And let's say, for example, that you have added something. So add food for breakfast, and you have added, for example, fried eggs. And let me just add them. So here it is. Let's add these and add food to diary. Here we go. So as you can see, guys, you can even reset the food that you have added. So for example, I want to change something in here. I will click in here and I will remove it. If you want to reset even the exercises, you can do the same thing. So you can go to your my exercises, create a new exercise, for example. If you want to go for this one, you can delete it from here or reset it or even change its settings. And if you go here to reports, you can see everything that has relationship with your weight, neck, waist. If you add their like for example their informations, and you can reset everything if you changed anything in the settings that I've showed you before. So once more, you can even reset the recipes. So if you want your recipes and you have added a new recipe, you can just go to database, and from here you will find the recipe that you have created and you can remove it real quick. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.